Next up, we have a third challenge. This time we're working with the reviewers table and the reviews table. So what I want us to do is match up every reviewer's first and last name with any review they have made. We'll see the rating. So Thomas Stoneman left an 8.0 for something. We don't know what yet. And an 8.1 for something else, a 7 for something else, 7.5, 9.5 for something. I want first name and last name of every reviewer matched up with any rating they have left, which would be stored in the reviews table. So let's go ahead and try it. We're going to need a join. We're going to join the reviewers with reviews, those two tables. We won't worry about series because there's no series information here. Okay. We'll start with a select first name and last name from reviewers, of course, and I'll put the ID in there as well, just to start. I run this and we see our 7 reviewers: Thomas Stoneman, Wyatt Skaggs, Kimbra Masters, 1 down to 7 for their IDs. And we are going to match up those IDs from the reviewers table with the reviewers ID from the reviews table. It's kind of confusing having reviewers and review. Maybe users and reviews would have been simpler or less confusing, but either way, we have these two tables. I want to match up this ID of 1 with this review that has a reviewer ID of 1, and so does this one, and so does this one. And then I want to take the rating from each of those once I join them together. So I'm going to do a join. I'll take ID, first name, last name from reviewers, join reviews on, where the reviews.reviewer ID is equal to the reviewer.id. If you struggle to understand this, just pause and walk through what is this in an actual row of a table and what is this, and compare them. It's a lot of review, reviewer, reviewer. It's confusing, but we're just matching up where the ID from the reviewer matches with the reviewer's ID in the review table. Ugh, what a nightmare to say that out loud. And instead of just doing ID, first name, and last name, let's do star to begin with. And, of course, it's reviewer's ID. I hope you saw that before me. Okay, now we see every time there is a match between the reviewer ID and the reviews reviewer ID, 1 and 1 or 2 and 2, 6 and 6. We see it all alongside, and that's great. That's what we want, our two tables joined on that intersection. The user or reviewer's ID matching what we stored in the actual reviews table. But all we want is first name, last name, and rating. So let's slim that down. First name, last name, and rating. Try it again, and this should get us there. Looks good. All of Thomas Stoneman's ratings, all of Wyatt Skaggs' ratings, Kimbra Masters, and that's what we were supposed to do. Of course, I limited it to as many could fit in the screenshot, but I want all of them, and we are getting all of them here. All right, next up, yet another challenge.